Hi there everybody, welcome to Martin's Sticky Buns. This time I'm making a basic pastry recipe, choux pastry. It's the base for making things like eclairs, choux buns, profiteroles. The recipe is in the description box below for everyone to have a look at. I hope you all enjoy this video and click subscribe to my channel, which is full of Martin's Sticky Buns. In this pan we have 50 ml of milk and 100 ml of water. To this we will add a pinch of salt, a pinch of caster sugar and 75 grams of unsalted butter. We'll set this away on a low to medium heat. We need to make sure all the butter is melted and then that the liquid comes to a boil. It's just starting to boil now. That means turn off the heat and add in the flour. Turn the heat back on low and keep working the flour until it all becomes one smooth paste. Now we need to let it cool for about 5 minutes or so and set it up in our stand mixer. I've spread it up the sides of the mixing bowl just to give it a chance to cool down. Look at all the steam coming off it. Looks like it's cool enough to me. Now we'll start adding the 3 eggs. I think that is ready. And that, my friends, is choux pastry. It's filled in a piping bag, ready to go and make things like eclairs and choux buns. That's all I've got time for today. If you did like this video, click subscribe to my channel and you'll get notification every time a new Martin's sticky buns video is ready to watch. Bye bye.